Today's focus is the later phases of the cancer care continuum, including survivorship, palliative care, oncologic emergencies, and hospice care. These areas require strong nursing judgment, early symptom recognition, and clear patient communication. The cancer care continuum extends beyond treatment into survivorship, palliative care, oncologic emergencies, and hospice care. Survivorship begins at diagnosis. Palliative care may occur alongside curative treatment, and oncologic emergencies require rapid recognition at any stage. Hospice focuses on interdisciplinary comfort care at end of life. The nursing role evolves across every phase of the continuum. There are approximately 16.9 million cancer survivors in the United States, with projections reaching 22 million by 2030. Survivors often experience long-term physical, cognitive, psychological, social, and financial effects related to cancer and its treatment. Nursing survivorship care must address all of these domains through ongoing assessment, education, support, and coordination of care. The four components of survivorship care are prevention and detection, surveillance, intervention, and care coordination. Survivors require ongoing screening, lifestyle counseling, and monitoring for recurrence, metastasis, and treatment-related complications. Nursing interventions address long-term physical and psychosocial effects of cancer therapy, while care coordination helps bridge oncology and primary care follow-up. Survivorship care plans organize and guide all aspects of long-term care. A survivorship care plan summarizes the patient's diagnosis, treatments, follow-up schedule, referrals, and symptoms that require monitoring after active treatment ends. Nurses play a key role in survivorship through education, care coordination, psychosocial support, advocacy, and connection to community resources. Survivorship care plans help bridge the transition from active treatment to long-term follow-up care. When cancer is no longer curable, care shifts to comfort, quality of life, and dignity. Advanced cancer commonly causes pain, cachexia, fatigue, depression, and declining mobility. Symptom management includes long-acting analgesics with breakthrough dosing, along with targeted interventions for nausea, anxiety, dyspnea, and muscle spasms. Nurses also promote energy conservation, support patient independence, and provide compassionate communication about changing goals of care. Palliative nursing focuses on pain management, symptom relief, and functional support. Pain control includes scheduled long-acting analgesics with accessible breakthrough dosing. Nurses also manage symptoms such as nausea, anxiety, dyspnea, and muscle spasms while supporting mobility, energy conservation, and quality of life. Ongoing education and communication with patients and families are essential as goals of care evolve throughout disease progression. Oncologic emergencies are life-threatening complications that require rapid recognition and intervention. They may occur during treatment, in advanced disease, or as the initial presentation of cancer. Key oncologic emergencies include superior vena cava syndrome, spinal cord compression, hypercalcemia, and tumor lysis syndrome. Nurses must recognize the symptoms quickly and initiate appropriate interventions and monitoring. Superior vena cava syndrome causes facial and upper extremity edema, dyspnea, cough, venous distension, and neurologic symptoms from SVC compression. Spinal cord compression commonly presents with back pain, followed by weakness, sensory loss, and bowel or bladder dysfunction. Hypercalcemia causes fatigue, confusion, weakness, nausea, constipation, dehydration, and arrhythmias from excessive calcium release. Tumor lysis syndrome results from rapid tumor cell destruction and causes hyperkalemia, hyperphosphatemia, hypocalcemia, hyperuricemia, and multisystem complications. Rapid pattern recognition is essential for early intervention in all oncologic emergencies. SVCS may require radiation, chemotherapy, anticoagulation, or stenting, with nursing priorities focused on respiratory and neurologic monitoring and semifowler positioning. Spinal cord compression is treated with corticosteroids, radiation, or surgery, requiring frequent neurologic assessment and prevention of immobility complications. Hypercalcemia management includes IV fluids, diuretics, and bisphosphonates with close monitoring of labs, mental status, and hydration. Tumor lysis syndrome requires aggressive hydration, electrolyte management, and continuous monitoring of vitals, labs, and intake and output. Tumor lysis syndrome occurs when rapid tumor cell destruction releases large amounts of intracellular contents into the bloodstream. This causes hyperkalemia, hyperphosphatemia, secondary hypocalcemia, and hyperuricemia, leading to cardiac, neurologic, and renal complications. Aggressive IV hydration promotes renal clearance, while allopurinol prevents new uric acid formation, and rasburicase breaks down existing uric acid. Continuous cardiac and laboratory monitoring are essential because of life-threatening electrolyte abnormalities. Hospice is an interdisciplinary philosophy of care focused on comfort, quality of life, and dignity. When curative treatment is no longer effective or desired, hospice care addresses physical, psychological, social, and spiritual needs. Through coordinated team support, nurses play a central role in symptom management, patient and family education, advocacy, emotional support, and timely hospice referral. The nursing role evolves across the cancer continuum, while continuous assessment and intervention remain constant. In survivorship, nurses coordinate long-term care and education. In palliative care, the focus is symptom management and comfort. During oncologic emergencies, nurses must recognize complications early and intervene rapidly. In hospice, nurses provide holistic end-of-life care, symptom control, advocacy, and family support. Survivorship requires long-term prevention, surveillance, intervention, and care coordination across physical, psychological, and social domains. Advanced cancer nursing focuses on symptom management, goal setting, and communication. SVCS, spinal cord compression, hypercalcemia, and tumor lysis syndrome are critical oncologic emergencies requiring rapid recognition and intervention. Hospice care emphasizes comfort, dignity, and interdisciplinary support. Across every phase of the cancer continuum, nurses provide continuous assessment, education, advocacy, and patient support.